Classpod is a live online interactive teaching platform for education. It is very easy to get started. You will see a class list on the homepage. You can enter the classroom by clicking on the icon to the right of the listed class, or through the class information bar by clicking on the Enter button. When you enter the classroom, you will see a notice board with some brief instructions about Classpod to take you through the functions of the classroom. You can also click View Details to learn more. After entering the classroom, you will be in a waiting state by default. In this state, your video and the content will not be visible to learners. Some interactive features are also unavailable, such as on stage. You can't start according to the class time and learners' attendance. By clicking the Start button in the teacher's video area, learners and you can't see each other's video, and all functions of the classroom will be available. When you start the class, the course duration will be calculated in the positive time from the upper right corner of the class. After the end of the course, click the Leave button in the upper right corner, and confirm the end of the course in the pop-up window to quit the class. Note that if you click Leave, you can still go back to the classroom. However, if you click End for all, the class ends and you cannot go back to the classroom. Depending on your situation, you decide whether you should leave permanently or leave temporarily. Classpod Classroom is composed of attendees video area, teacher video, content space, teacher tools, and sidebar. Attendees video area. In this area, you can't see the students in real time. You can also mute or unmute. Authorize to write. And give star rewards according to the performance of each student. Teacher video. You can't see yourself and the audio status. You can also mute or unmute your own audio. Content space. You can open multiple coursewares or courseware materials in this class. And can also take notes and underline key points on the courseware. Teacher tools. In this area, we provide you with cursor, brush, text, eraser, on stage all, and authorize all to write or guide students. Currently, this function can only be used in interactive courseware. The editor of interactive courseware is made by PowerCourse, developed by our company. Sidebar. In this area, you can manage your teaching materials and class. You can also use many teaching tools to share screens and interact with your students too. Settings. Camera. By clicking the setting icon, you will see the list of camera devices. You can select or switch to another camera device. Mirror mode. Mirror mode is like looking into a mirror. The mirror mode is enabled by default. If you want to show text information in your camera, please untick the mirror mode. Otherwise, the text will be displayed in reverse. Microphone. By clicking the settings icon, you can also see the list of microphone devices. You can select or switch to another microphone device. If students think your voice is low, you can adjust the microphone volume. Speakers. Click the settings icon to see the list of speakers. You can select or switch to another speaker device if you think the voice of students or the sound of coursewares is low or high. You can adjust the speaker volume. Refresh. If you encounter network problems, click the refresh button to refresh the classroom to solve the problem. There is a classroom help portal in the bottom right corner of the classroom that provides real-person online assistance. If you have any problems in the classroom, you can use it to ask for technical help. The staff will usually get back to you within minutes. Classpod makes learning more efficient and easy to use. Take the time to download and use it. We also provide a lot of tips about Classpod. Visit the website to get more.